Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to convert PDF to CSV file. So I'm not using any software, so you just open your any browser, like I'm open my Chrome browser. Go to search option, search set to converter PDF to CSV free. Okay, showing it to more website. So you just go to I Love PDF site. Open this because this site totally free and 100% safe. Just select the PDF file. Like I'm select this PDF file, press on open. Okay, and convert to Excel. Okay, now it's ready. Press on to download. Now successfully download and just press on to open this. So that's it.